Need to know your spending power? Checking your Amex credit limit is easy, but it works differently than other cards. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. For most Amex cards, log into your online account or app and go to your account homepage. Look for a section called Spending Power or Account Details. Your credit limit should be displayed there. Important note: some Amex cards, like the Gold or Platinum, are charge cards and technically have no preset spending limit. Instead, they have a flexible spending power based on your history, income, and spending patterns. My crucial pro tip: use the Check Spending Power tool. For charge cards, don't guess. Before a large purchase, use the tool in your account to get an instant, soft check approval for a specific amount. This is the safest way to know if a big transaction will be approved without an embarrassing decline. Know your boundaries and spend with confidence. Do you have a card with a set limit or a charge card with flexible spending? For more guides on understanding your credit, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.